What are Wix websites? Wix websites are professional, customizable websites created using the Wix platform, a powerful online website builder designed for beginners, businesses, and creative professionals. With Wix, you can design a complete website without writing a single line of code. It offers a drag and drop editor, hundreds of customizable templates, and built-in tools that help you launch and manage your online presence easily. Every Wix website comes with secure hosting, a free SSL certificate, and mobile optimization by default. You can add your own domain name, upload media, integrate apps, and even set up online stores, blogs, or booking systems, all within the same dashboard. Wix also provides AI-powered tools like Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, which can instantly create a custom site for you based on your preferences and goals. Wix websites are ideal for small businesses, freelancers, creators, and entrepreneurs who want a professional-looking site without hiring developers. They offer speed, flexibility, and full control over design and content, allowing anyone to build a high-quality website in minutes. You can start using Wix for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to create your own professional website at no cost.